Now, in case you don't want a traditional Christmas tree, I'm going to show you some fun options that are easy to try yourself. I'm going to take this simple little white mannequin and turn it into this very individual and very glam little tree. Now first we're just going to remove the little coat hanger bit from the top. Now I only want to fill the top section of this, the bodice, with baubles. So I'm going to just put a piece of plastic across there to seal it so the baubles stay in place. Baubles are really light, so it doesn't have to be anything strong. Just a clear plastic bag is fine, just tied in there, because we'll disguise that later. And then you just fill the top half with whatever colour baubles that you like until it's full, and I've sealed off the bottom half. Then you're going to take an old tree and get the branches, and you're going to change them from the shape of the one with yellow to a hook shape like the other one. Op shops are a great source of old trees, or you may even have one at home that you're not using. So we're going to use the longest of the branches, and we're going to hook them into the skirt section of the mannequin. And just like that, it's not complicated until it's quite thickly covered. And then we're going to do another row of the really short ones up the top. I've just added a little string of battery operated lights so that I can maneuver her wherever I like and I don't need to be near a PowerPoint. Add a few decorations and there you have it. Couldn't be simpler, and isn't she glamorous?